My first gaming PC build.
Hold on, I'm gonna show you a trick. Easier. There's a tip. Open the box. Get inside. Move this over here for now. Okay, take your box and put it over there. Okay, now open. No.
This is empty.
Go open that box right there.
This one? This one right here?
Yeah. Okay, so what is that?
Fans, I think.
Nope.
Wait.
What does it say?
Doesn't say it.
Really? What does it say right there?
Radeon.
It does say that. What does that say right there?
Graphics, oh yeah.
So
I'm blind.
this is a Radeon RX 570, and it's the XFX. This is supposed to be a great graphic card, great value for the money.
Okay. Let's open this up.
Nope, just put it to the side.
Set it aside for now. Let's see. And then we get our next. Should we open this up?
That is the power supply. That is a 500 watt EVGA bronze power supply. This is a pretty solid one from all the reviews. Okay, what's in there?
We got a pad.
Yep, got a mouse pad. Which one do we get? We got the fixing, okay. And this is the, what is this? What does it say on there?
Intel motherboard.
That's right. So we're doing an Intel build because the parts were a little more affordable. And this is the B365M motherboard. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, Jake, is take that motherboard out, but be gentle because that's very delicate.
Can I please get gloves so I don't
No.
mess this up?
Say, put that to the side for a second. Take all that stuff out of the box. What's in the box?
So, DVD.
Yeah, that's some kind of a, probably got info on it. You don't need to take it out. Okay, that is, do you know what that is?
Nope.
That is, that's the plate that goes for the motherboard. It's got all the connections on it, and it goes into the box before we put the motherboard in.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, now take the take the motherboard out and put it on top of that box.
Gotta be careful and only
You
use
absolutely
the
have to be
sides.
careful. You're right.
The best part to do it is just hold it by the sides when you're placing it in.
That's a good advice. You don't need to take anything else out of the box yet. We will need that. You're right. What is that?
This is for the graphics. Wait, yeah.
It's not the graphics. It's the CPU.
Yeah.
So look, it is the i3 Intel
Core.
LGA 1151.
And here's the memory.
Right. So the memory we're going to use is Crucial brand MX500. This is a 500 gig SSD drive, solid state drive.
Next, we have.
What is that? Don't need to take it out.
Oh, it's the mouse.
That's right. So what does it say on the outside, Jake?
The Red Dragon.
Red Dragon mouse. Okay.
I just want to show them.
Oh, okay. But can we show them later?
It's easy to open, I think. Oh, just got it.
And that is a wired gaming mouse. And we'll go over that later.
Keyboard, also Red Dragon, I think.
Ooh,
No,
Yep. It's a Red Dragon.
Yeah, I think.
See that? And this is a mechanical RGB board. Okay, put that on the side. Is it heavy?
Pretty heavy.
Pretty heavy, right? Yep.
Then we have. I can't figure it.
You want to pull it out of the...
Yeah. This is the.
So this is the DDR4, 2 sticks of 8 gig,
Oh, yeah.
so 16 gig of memory.
Yes, it is. And then this is the wireless.
Right.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is so that's the wireless card, so that when it's not plugged in, we can do wireless.
Okay. And then this is the last piece.
So, and this is the monitor, which is an HP 22 CWA display. And
I
this
open it?
is nope. I don't need that yet. So this is a highly rated display. I think it was about $100. We got everything
Dang.
at.
You didn't tell me that part.
We got everything at Amazon, except for the graphics card, which we picked up from Best Buy because they had the best price, and the power supply,
Which is.
and believe it or not, Walmart had the
Yeah.
best price.
So we got the power supplies from Walmart.
And everything else came from Amazon, which is really cool and made it easy.
And
So
pretty expensive.
yes, but still very affordable for a gaming PC of this caliber.
Okay, so.